Hi, this is Dansoy, aka Batman in the kitchen. Today I'm going to bring you a basic barbecue chicken. It's going to be chopped with zucchini and garlic and red onion. And we're going to cook this in avocado oil. So we're going to need 2 chicken breasts. We're going to need black pepper, sea salt, avocado oil. That's really good at a high point. It won't overcook. We got garlic, red onion, cilantro. We got zucchini. We got half a lemon, blackened seasoning that'll add to it, and we have barbecue sauce. So there's the pan with the cover. We're gonna start cooking the chicken first. Be back, Facebook and YouTube. And like again, I'm started almost at 8 p.m. at night. Be back. Alright, so we have that avocado oil, and we're going to pour that in the pan. So you just want to coat it. Get a nice coating down there so it covers the pan so the chicken won't burn. If it burns a little bit, it's okay if it has a char. But avocado oil is really good. It'll cook at a high point, and usually you won't overcook things. Be back, Facebook and YouTube. Alright, so we have the chicken in there and the oil. We're just going to take some sea salt and we're going to sprinkle it on one side. Then you're going to take pepper and sprinkle it on the side. We're going to cook that for 6 to 8 minutes. If it doesn't totally cook, it's okay, because after we cook it on both sides, we can cut it up a little bit and recook it just to make sure it's fully cooked, so you don't get sick from it. But because you know about chicken, that it has to be fully cooked. But right now we're just going to put the cover on there and cook it for 6 to 8 minutes. Batman will be back. Alright, so you can hear that cooking. We got the cover on. You can hear it sizzling. So we're going to cook that for 6 to 8 minutes. Depends on your stove and your pot. I have this on medium right now. I turned it down from high to medium. And like I said, 6 to 8 minutes. You judge it. Then after that, we'll flip it on the other side. We'll put more sea salt and pepper on there. And after that, we'll check it. If we have to, we'll cut it up. And then we'll put it aside. And then we'll go right to the vegetables. And that won't take long. Alright, so Facebook and YouTube, we only have a couple minutes on the side. And then we'll flip it. And then after that's done, like I said, we'll go right to the zucchini, garlic and all that, and we'll throw it in the pan. That's not going to take long. But I'm an amateur cook. I bring you real meals from a real person. I'm just like you. I do this in my part-time. I love cooking. My mother was a cook for over 20 years. She taught me a lot. So it's fun to cook, and it's fun to do it for your family and your kids. So take this journey with me. We'll learn. I'm learning with you too, because I'm cooking this for myself, and a lot of these meals I haven't cooked before. So these meals you can tailor to your own needs, like 1 person, 2 persons, 3. You can just like double, triple the ingredients if you need to. But cooking is fun. So we're almost ready to flip the chicken. Alright, so we're going to get ready to flip this. Sorry, this is live recording. I don't believe in editing anything. Like I said, you heard my tagline all the time. I'm real and just like you. I want to keep this real and not change it up to make it look like a pro. But I got these nice tongs right here, and I can flip the chicken because even though this is avocado oil, it's still going to be hot. So when you flip it, you can see how much steam is in there. So when you flip it, you're going to want to put more sea salt and more black pepper. So we're almost there. Alright, so we're back. I flipped that. And you can see it. We're going to give that another 6 minutes, and then we'll be done. Then, like I said, we can go to the next step. Actually, I forgot one step. You had to put in the blackened seasoning. That'll actually give a char to that a little bit, or cook it really good. So you can see it right there. I wish you could smell it. Right, I'm back. We have the chicken there, and it's nice and crisp. We can cut that up, and later, well, we'll actually cut that on the cutting board and throw it back in there, and we'll throw the barbecue sauce in. But while the pan is still hot, we're going to throw this zucchini, cilantro, red onion, and garlic right into the pan. and get it going. Alright, so we got rid of that, and we got the zucchini and other stuff in there, and it's in the hot oil, so it'll cook up, and we really won't have to put the stove on for either medium or low. So let it cook in that, and while that's cooking, just sprinkle some lemon into that, and the next step is just to cut up this chicken on the cutting board, and then we'll throw it back in here, and then once everything's done, we just throw it all together. Yeah, so you can see that chicken, that Blackened Seasoning really came in handy. You can see that, so we're going to slice up this other thing, throw it in there, and then we'll throw some barbecue sauce in, and we're still cooking these vegetables. We're almost there. Alright, we're actually done with that. You can see all the juice that came out of that chicken. It's right there. So we used part of the lemon in here. Now we're going to take this lemon and squeeze it over there. Just give it a kick of lemon. And that's basically done. We have lemon in there. So we're going to just do the rest of these vegetables like the zucchini. And then we'll just put some barbecue sauce on there, and then we're done. Alright, so this zucchini is only going to take a couple minutes. It's cooking. I have the cover on. I'm going to have it on medium. So the next step is, if you want, you don't have to. The meat is actually so good, you don't need the barbecue sauce. But I like using Baby Ray's. I'm going to put some in there and some in there. I'm actually not going to use the whole package. I'm just going to throw some in there. But if you want, you can just leave it out. You can just put the chicken on top of the vegetables and eat it. Alright, so while that zucchini cooks, we're going to take the barbecue sauce, and we're just going to drizzle some on this chicken. You don't have to use it all. So you can see that rich barbecue sauce on there. I don't want to really use it all, so I'll be back. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, we're basically done. There's the zucchini. You can see it has nice color. And the barbecue sauce worked into the chicken a little bit. You don't want to overdo it. So we're basically done. We're just going to turn our stove off. And you can take the spoon and stir it. And basically it's done now. You just want to, you can either serve it separate, or you can mix it in the bowl. Like me, I'll just put the chicken on top of the zucchini and stuff. Be back. But like I said, you can see all the juice. All that juice that was in the meat is right there, and some of it's in there from the pan. Alright, so we're done. We have the zucchini and garlic, and everything's together right here. Like I said, you could plate it separate if you want. And here's the barbecue chicken. But I'm going to take the barbecue chicken and just put it on top of that. So you basically have that all together. You just want to stir it, but it's basically done. So that's your barbecue chicken with zucchini and garlic and cilantro and red onion. So thanks for visiting my channel. God bless. Peace out. Dansoy, aka Batman in the kitchen. Be safe.